Have I not warned you and your lousy people not to step your feet inside this river again? Have I not warned you?
The river that belongs to me, Umunalo owns this river.
How?
What belongs to my community?
How?
What belongs to Umunalo? You're worrying me. You cannot do anything, Chifokoria. You can't do nothing.
Listen, yes. This river is a secret land that my forefathers bequeathed to us.
That's your forefathers. But my great-great-grandfathers gave it to me. Yes!
My great-grandfathers fished in this river. Leave it.
That was there.
I will not warn you again.
It belongs to me.
I will not warn you again.
I must possess my possession.
I will not warn you again.
If you dare me, I've warned you 1, 2, 3. If I warn you the 4th time, I will show you the color.
Okay. I will show you.
We shall see.
I will show you.
The battle line is run.
Okay. Hey, okay.
Omona Olo and the Omona Okigwe, which has a sacred lifeline. The water is blessed by the gods with the powers of healing, prosperity, and fertility, accessed through peace and unity.
This is the net I told you about.
Hey! Kawaro. These people have defiled the sacred water of our land. Hey! What do they intend to achieve? They have actually dared us by placing this net across our own river.
This time around, we are going to fight back. The people of Omonolo, they have stepped on our toes countless times. And this time around, we are going to fight back.
Ikenna, summon the warriors at once. We shall show them that we are valiant men of Omonoki. Hey!
Where are you going?
Chief Okorie sent for us.
Anytime I hear that name, I can only think of one thing. What does he want this time around?
I am not sure. But when I get there, I shall find out. But don't worry. I will be back very soon.
Very well then. But please, be careful.
Don't have to worry about me. I'll be careful. You too. Be careful.
I will.
I'll come back shortly. Take care.
Go well.
My brother, I feel overhyped about this whole issue.
Of course, my brother. It is through war that we know who is superior and who is below.
I agree with you. There's this saying that when two powers come together, the lesser one goes down, while the stronger one stands out. Oh no, will weep. Because what is about to befall them is going to be bigger than they can comprehend.
History is about to be written again. I am very, very happy and glad I am at the forefront of this war.
You move, I follow you.
If not for anything, I at least to avenge the death of my parent. Yes, Umunolo has taken a lot from us. A lot! And they will meet their end.
Akachukwu Wannam, if you move, I follow you. Let's go.
Tomorrow is upon us. We are going to fight war and defend our land. We will make sure that we take off their scouts so they don't go to alert their group. I, the son of Okamba, take charge of the scouts because I know the terrain. I am the only person that can get close to them without being swayed.
So what is your role in the ambush? What is your role?
I am the ambush! The ambush! I will lead the war! I will ambush them from different corners! I will chop off their heads and feed the beast in the forest! Yes! You will take them by the right! Why you cannot you take them by the left? We must win this war! I must take them off their guards! Yes!
I like your confidence, Akachukwu. Your determination has been a driving force. And that is why you are leading and we are following.
DK.
We are ready.
DK.
I am in! Are you ready? Are you ready?
I am ready.
Are you ready to fight the enemies?
I'm ready. May the gods be with us.
Okay, sir!
Papa.
Papa!
As in,
You're back. Welcome.
yes. How are you?
I'm fine. I know you must be hungry, right?
Yes, I am hungry.
Food is ready. Let me go to you.
I shall be here waiting. Oh, my favorite. Simeka. Sit. Eat with me. Yes, sit down. Ezinne, I want to ask you for a favor. And it must be granted by you.
Okay.
Tomorrow, I do not want you to leave this hut or the environs. Do not go anywhere. In fact, you have to confine yourself inside this hut. Please, I beg you. Tomorrow is war.
Brother, I will accept on one condition. You have to promise me that you won't be going to war tomorrow.
No.
Yes.
What are you talking about? I am the chief warrior of our land.
They can go without you.
I have a duty. A duty to protect our people. To protect lives and properties.
Brother, you're the only one I have. I can't afford to lose you.
Do you know that these people killed our father? They killed our mother. They held our brothers captives. Our mothers were raped and taken as concubines. They want war, and war they shall get. I don't want you to say anything. Do not come out tomorrow. And that is final. Eat. Eat with me.
Because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us. When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold winds of death. We can't continue fighting every day. Because of unforgiveness,
Okunuma na mmiri pụtara ibe ha na-ekwu ụgwọ. N'oke osisi pụtara ibe na ọ na-ekwu ụgwọ. Na nkiri ka na-ekiri odudu mechiri ododo enyi ozu. Amụ ibu otu n'ogwe. Ọ bụ sọ ogwe ka apịla akị nwoke m. Gbuo dike ụbọchị ọgwụ amalụ chọba dike n'ike. Etu aka ọ dị. Iyi ukwu nwa ọcha etikwuo gị n'ehihie, tikwuo gị n'ụtụtụ, tukwuo gị na mgbede, tikwuo gị n'etiti abalị. Guide and protect our youths at the battlefield so that victory shall be theirs and ours. We shall go into laughter as they come back safely. May they be victorious. Iyuku, oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe, nwacha, anyị ekene gị. We lift you up. We praise you. Protect these children so that they will be victorious. Protect these children so that they will be victorious. Iyuku.
I got
Akachukwu, we sympathize with you on your loss. From the bottommost part of my heart, I cry the same tears as you. Ndo, Karubi. But I need you to know that even as you fought so bravely today, this battle is still far from over.
I swear. I swear by the gods of our land, I will rain blood on the people of Ubunano. I must avenge my sister's death. I will not stop until I kill each and every one of them.
My young warrior, one thing should be clear to you, that this your path is never the solution to the problem. Revenge can only deepen the wound. Seek peace and not war. Please.
Peace?
Yes, peace.
Oh boy, if you sit there and tell me to embrace peace, what for? Like I said earlier, I will kill the people of Ubunano one after the other. Akachuku will chop off their heads, their carcass, and throw it to the evil forest. I will fight. I will kill. I will sell their brothers and sisters into slavery.
Bam.
I must avenge the death of my sister.
Bam.
I will.
Bam.
I will.
What are you talking about?
What are you not talking? The old man does not stay at home while the goat delivers in its status. Instead of advising this young man, you are talking as if you are.
War is what they want to win.
Umunalo killed my parents, and now they killed my only sister. Just like that. You killed the only child that my parents left with me. I swear by the gods, Ubunalo, I will kill you. I am going to sell my soul to devil as collateral. I will kill you. I will kill you.
Enebe ukwu egbu ewu anyanwụ ụtụtụ
Anya una walora. Well, you're dressed so beautifully like this. Where are you going to? I hope you know it is not safe. You are not going out of this village because it's not safe for you.
Yes, Nam. I'm only going to see my friend Choma. I will not go out of the village.
Please, don't go away from the village because it is not safe for you. Go and come back safely. Hmm? Okay. Make sure you come back in time.
Alright, I will.
How are you?
I'll go. I'll see you.
Hi.
And then a bed, Jagoro.
Warrior, are you not tired of this fight?
You are our enemy's daughter. You're not supposed to be here. What are you doing here?
Well, I'm here. What can you do about it?
You don't dare me. If you dare me, I will not hesitate to chop off your head and feed the beasts in the forest. After all, you are our enemy's daughter.
You are also our enemy. Yet I'm here. And that's because I seek peace.
Peace? Is there such thing as peace?
Yes. There is such thing as peace. And we can make it happen. I lost my mother and siblings in this war. Who else needs to die before we end it? I do not know about you.
Peace. Peace, peace. Is that even possible?
Yes. It is possible. If we are in it together.
This might be a trap for all I care. I will not fall for it.
And what makes you think that I will risk my life to prove a point?
Spoil the world because of
Ezinne! Ezinne! No, don't do this. Ezinne!
You have to promise me that you won't be going to war tomorrow.
No.
Yes.
What are you talking about?
I am the chief warrior of our land.
They can go without you.
I have a duty. A duty to protect our people. To protect lives and properties.
Brother, you're the only one I have. I can't afford to lose you.
Do you know that these people killed our father? They killed our mother. They held our brothers captives. Our mothers were raped and taken as concubines. They want war, and war they shall get.
Brother.
I don't want you to say anything. Do not come out tomorrow. And that is final.
You will not believe it though. Immediately I saw the guy. All of them. They disappeared. Akachuku. Akachuku!
Kenna, are you saying anything?
I have said a whole lot. I even demonstrated how I attacked my enemies. You didn't say anything. What's going on?
I don't know. I feel like I am caught in between two worlds.
How do you mean? It's not clear.
Ikenna, for how long shall we continue fighting ourselves? For how long shall we continue shedding bloods of innocent people? This is 4 years of bloodshed. 4 years of pain and agony. Unending war. We can't even come out of our huts unarmed. We sleep at night with our eyes wide open. How long?
Akachuku, let it not be what I am thinking. No! Let it not be what I am thinking. It seems you forgot. Let me remind you. You vowed to avenge your sister's death. Are you telling me that you are now considering peace?
No, I would rather die than have that thought in my head.
Let us go.
You did what?
Chuma, can you bring them back? I could get into trouble if someone hears you.
Well, thank God you know you could get into trouble.
He was harmless, Chuma. If he wanted to harm me, he would have. I won't even stand here talking to you.
Well, you got lucky. Next time you might not what I'm even saying. There will never be a next time.
I need to see him again.
You will not. I forbid you. You cannot see him again.
I am sorry, Chuma. I have to see him. He could be the only way out of this. Listen, you need to understand me. I beg you.
Never. You will not see him again. Never.
Can you bring down your voice?
I forbid you. You can never see him again. What are you saying? What's wrong with you?
What do we do?
I don't know. I have lost a lot to care. I watch my entire family wiped off the surface of this earth. I lost my only sister conversing for peace. I watch her die in my hands. Blood gushing out like the flow of the stream. My only sister died for peacekeeping. She ended up dead.
Listen, I understand how you feel. I also lost my family in this war. It is just I and my father that survived. And that is why my father is driven with hatred and revenge. But revenge will not solve any problem if more people die. Listen, we need to put an end to this.
I don't care if thousands more die. It means nothing to me. I have nothing to lose. Not even my life.
What if this anger has taken away your emotions? And this bloodthirsty man that you have become caused you to lose me? What if I die next?
Lose you? I don't care about you, woman. I don't.
Look me in the eyes and tell me that you do not care about me. And I will let you do what pleases you. Say it.
What are you doing here? Are you insane?
Wazico, what's going into your heart?
What for what? Your people are not allowed to come into our kingdom. What if someone sees you?
Where you are is where I want to be. I cannot stop thinking about you.
Then this might be your end.
Then let me die. Can't you understand that we are destined to be together? I love you.
I'm sorry, Norma. I do not share in your feelings. I do not share in your love. I don't want to be part of this. So I want you to leave. Go back to your kingdom and never return again.
Very well then. If this is what you want, then so be it. I'll leave!
What is going on?
There is nothing.
No, have you forgotten I know you? You're like a sister to me. If something is going on, you know I know.
I went to see him.
At where?
Chima went too far. I think I have overstepped my boundaries.
Hey! May the gods forbid it! What is wrong with you, Norma?
What would you have me do, Chioma? What exactly do you want me to do?
Let me ask you a question, Norma. Is it peace that you want, or him? Because I do not understand this anymore. Norma! Norma! You will answer my question today.
What are you doing here? The guards they will feed the flesh to the wild animal if they see you here.
Will you allow that to happen?
There is nothing much I can do. You are foolish for coming here. You have to leave.
That was exactly how I felt when you came looking for me. But I know something is certain. I will not allow anyone to lay their filthy hands on you. I will protect you with everything in me.
My father will skin you alive if he sees you here. Go, you have to go.
Then I'm ready to die. I'm ready to die smiling knowing that I had a glimpse of your beautiful face before joining my ancestors.
You don't have to say that. How will I survive without you? I cannot survive without you. Don't say it again, please.
Even after everything I did to you? Do you still love me?
Yes, my love is not fragile. Listen, you have to go now. Just meet me at the stream at sunset. Okay? Go, go.
Mama love gi kambogi obimo. Mama love gi kambogi love mo. Maga horongi na love mo. Obimo. You are mine. I won't let you go. You are my breath. Love me. You are my strength. People love mo. Love. Obimo.
Obim.
Ah. The woman that shines brighter than the sun. I couldn't wait to see you.
Neither could I. Obim, won't this hide and seek be over? What do we do?
I don't know. Gods of our land, please, just show us a sign. Just a sign. I don't know what to do.
Look. What is that? Come.
My children, the Iyugu River blesses those who follow us together. Only in unity shall His true power be revealed. The two kingdoms must come together as one. They must come together as one. Only in unity. Only in unity shall they access the power of the river.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred. Because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us.
This world is full of mystery. Just hold on.
Something. How?
My children, the power of Iyugu River is ancient. That's what binds us together. But its blessings is granted only in unity. Only in unity.
This is the same thing. Wait. Why was this not revealed before now?
There are those beyond our villages. Foreign traders that benefit from our division. They spread lies to benefit from the river's wealth. That's it.
We must end this. We shall bring peace and unity to our kingdom.
And this? It is not easy, my dear. Because the scare is deep. Very deep.
But we can try, at least.
Yes, we can try.
We can try.
It's alright.
No man shall benefit from this river. No man from this land. Okigwe and Alu, none of you shall benefit from this river unless unity is achieved in this land. None!
The water feels different today.
It is calling for us to listen. We must find out what it truly means.
All I ever hoped for is for us to be in peace and unity. But right now, I am scared.
What are your fears?
But what if it doesn't go well? What if we are pushing for more war? Mazi Ogbuefi said that it's not going to be easy.
Mazi Ogbuefi did not say it is not possible.
If you give up,
what hope will be left for people like me? You know I derive strength from you. We can do this together.
We can't.
My brother. You look surprised seeing me. Besides, you've been scarce. What is going on?
Scarce?
Yes.
Me?
Yes, you of course.
No.
I have been coming to your house countless times and I did not see you.
My brother, I have been busy running errands.
For who?
I was on my way going to my farm. There's a trap that I set for an animal. I'm very, very sure that by now, because I've caught a very big one, a very big leopard.
That sounds very good. But let me tell you something. If you get to that place and your trap gets anything, I am going home with it. Because you've stressed me enough.
It is okay, my brother. Let us go.
Okay.
My children, the Iyugu River blesses those who honor us together. Only in unity shall its true power be revealed. The two kingdoms must come together as one. They must come together as one. Only in unity. Only in unity shall they access the power of the river.
Only in unity. Unity? How is that even possible? Where do we start from? Where?
Maybe fast now. Ah! Hey, what have you found out so far?
Nothing.
No, ma. Nothing. Or you just don't trust me enough to tell me.
Well, I'm sorry, Chama. I'm just trying to be careful.
Careful of me. I am not your enemy. I am on your side. If not, I would have told your father already about your foolishness. But you don't want to tell me, Abby? No problem. Now I know where I stand in your heart. Just be careful. Be safe. Me, I'm going home.
Shoma, it's not. Shoma.
My brothers, we have fought war. Endless war. We've lost our brothers and our sisters. It is time we seek the truth behind this conflict.
What truth are you talking about? Akachuku, I'm asking you, what truth are you talking about? It seems you've forgotten what I will remind you. Your sister is in the dire skill for this same truth that is not forthcoming from anywhere. And you are here discussing peace and truth. It is not going to happen.
To what end? I ask you again. To what end? Must we continue to sleep at night with our eyes wide open?
If that is the only condition for me to wake up the next morning, I will open my eyes wide open. Let me tell you, it's even better for me to die in the war front than to sit back here under the illusion of peace or truth that I don't know and watch my enemies who are moving around this village freely looking for my head. Ikenna!
Ikenna! Let us make things right.
Aka, what if they refuse to cooperate with us?
Then we must show them the strength of unity. We must meet the people of Umunolo. Talk to them, not as enemies, but as brothers. There is no harm in trying. Let us talk to them first.
On the contrary, I will be killing them one by one. That is the only thing that will make me happy.
I will deal with them. I will never spare anyone.
Father.
Nonsense.
Father, we have suffered enough. The river that we cherish can heal our wounds if we can work together.
Then what of the Okigwe people? They are our enemies.
They are victims of this feud just as we are. Father, something is not right here. We have to be brave enough and extend a hand to them.
Indeed, what an old man says, sitting on the floor, can never be seen by a child, even if it climbs the tallest Iroko tree. Norman, why don't you give way from men's business?
To what end, Father? Are you not tired of fighting? I am asking you, Father, aren't you tired?
I will never get tired until I slay all my enemies and bury them one after the other. Have I made myself clear? No. No, man. Come on, come on. What was the meaning of that which you displayed today?
Father, I am tired of losing everyone. Who else needs to die before we end this war? We need to make peace.
Norma, you won't understand. You won't understand. There is nothing like peace between Umunno Kigwe and Umunnolo. Nothing! Listen, whatever it is, let such never repeat itself. Have I made myself clear? Am I well understood?
Because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us.
Wefi,
my son.
I don't know how to go about this anymore. It is like I am walking through a path that have rough patches. An unending road. Seems like I'm walking blindly, without a focus.
Akachukwu, my son, don't worry. Take it one step at a time. Yes, the gods are with you. This is your destiny. Though it may be delayed, but it can never be denied. I am solidly behind you. This is a phase. Everything will be alright very soon.
Wefi, thank you so much. I appreciate.
You're welcome, my son.
You always have a certain word to keep a man going with strength. I pray the gods of our land continue to bless you with wisdom.
Obim, this is tougher than I think. We should invite both parties to a gathering close to the stream. And then, we should demonstrate the power of unity.
This could be very, very dangerous. What are you talking about? Old wounds runs deep.
I understand. But it's worth the risk. I mean, we cannot let fear dictate our future. Our fate. We can't.
See, I don't think this is a good idea. Until both parties make an attempt. Gathering them at once could stir a wave of anger.
So what do you think we should do? What do we do?
I don't know, my love. I don't know.
Then let's go with initiative and bring them together. What is the worst thing that can happen? What?
We must gather both villages at the river. We must show them the strength in unity.
What unity are you talking about, Akachukwu? Have you lost all sense of reasoning? Have you lost your mind? In Akachukwu? How could you suggest such a thing? That we trust our own enemies? Enemies of Omona Okigwe? We should trust them after all they did to us? After all they did to you? Hey, eh?
It's your call. We must stop our children from paying for the sins of their father. The sins that they know nothing about. Women and children are always the victims of war. It is enough.
It is enough for you, Akachukwu. It is enough for you. Like I said before, let me say it this final time. We shall never trust the enemies of our land.
But trust is built, not given. This is our chance to heal.
Oh, now look me in the face, young man, and let me speak to you. We shall continue to war. We shall continue to fight. We will not stop fighting until the best side, which is Omona Okigwe, wins the war. Read my lips, Akachukwu. Do you read my lips?
It is easy for you to say. Because you don't go to war.
Akachukwu.
You don't fight again. You hide in your hut. While my brothers and I go to war.
Akachukwu.
I watch my brothers being slaughtered like chicken. Yes. Our brothers taken as captives. Our women raped and killed. Some are taken as concubines. Most of my brothers don't even come back alive. I beg you, Chie Okorie. Let us put an end to this war. It is consuming us.
Father, please. You have to reconsider. Please. Let's meet at the river and show our commitment to peace. Who needs to die before you have a heart?
What if they come with weapons?
Then who will stand on our ground and face them? If we don't try, there is no way we would know.
Let me ask a question. On whose side are you?
On the side of peace, Papa.
Peace. Peace. Peace, my foot! Peace, my foot!
Listen, you need to speak to them. The river calls for peace and unity and not for division. We need to sign the peace treaty. Help me and talk to them, please. Enough of this bloodshed is becoming too much. I beg you, go and talk to them. Go! Go and speak to them.
Alright, please. Stay here. I am coming.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll return. Wait for me.
Right, I'm waiting. Please convince them. Try and talk to them. I'm waiting.
When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold haze of death.
Kachi, help me. Please. Convince our people to sign the peace treaty, please. Stop the war!
Kachi, how do you want me to do this?
You can do this. We are friends.
Kachi, you need to leave here, please.
Convince them to please.
Aka, I don't know how to do it. Please.
Go!
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go!
What is it?
Let's go!
Hey!
It's a poison
Adaku! Ha! Oledo! Hey! Hey!
My head has seen enough today.
Hey! What is it? Talk now! I saw Adaku and Oledo. They were lying dead on the floor. Dead? Adaku and Oledo. Nkemma. Lebe! Wait, come and show me. Hey! Where is taking me to? Hey! Simo! Adaku! Adaku! Hey! Okay. I don't know what happened. I saw them like this. Hey! How can I see? Oledo! What happened? I don't know. Are you sure it's not the hands of Okigwe people? You're shouting. They may be near. Hey! Come, let's go. I'm leaving them here. Hey! Hey! Chimo! Where you go for? Hey! Choma, wait! No! Hey! Hey! Choma, Hey! Okay. Ago, there are dead bodies everywhere. Dead bodies are littered everywhere in this village. Ago, people are dying. Oh, people are dying. Do something.
Dead bodies.
Ago, people are dying. People are dying.
Go to your hut and hide.
Dead bodies.
Hide. Avoid the river bank for now.
When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day. Oh, ooh.
Choma, it's high time they stop this fight. It's becoming too much, can't you see? Choma, I've lost my parents. I've also lost my siblings. I have no one now. Choma, we need to stop. I'm the only one left. We can't continue to fight. Munalo has to stop. Okigwe has to stop. Mwabutu. Choma, you don't understand. Because if you understood, you would be crying. Same way I'm crying right now. Calm down. But I understand you. But we cannot succumb to them. Never. We can't succumb to Okigwe people. See how they killed our people? No, we have to retaliate. Yes. Choma, you're talking about fighting. You still want to keep fighting. Choma, you have heart. You don't have conscience at all. I've seen it. Because if you have lost what I have lost, you will be crying by now. You would have asked them to stop this fight. It's too much. No. Can't you see that it's too much? Okay, listen. Give up. Choma, don't tell me to calm down. No, I'm not happy. Don't tell me. We cannot succumb. Choma, we have to stop this fight. It's too much. No. Well, people have to stop. They have to stop. Here. No, we will not. We will not. We will fight this war. Why, Akachuku? Why would your people do a thing like this? I thought you meant every word when you said that you wanted peace. I thought you meant it.
What are you talking about? Those men weren't from my village. I swear, I don't know them.
You dare lie to me? How could you? My father was right. I shouldn't have trusted you.
No, ma. Who are those men?
Mama, it's okay. Don't give up hope.
Choma, nothing is okay. You talk about hope. There is no hope. There is none. There is no hope. Let me go. My father could have got hurt today. And how will I forgive myself knowing the fact that I am the one that put him and my people in danger? How? I refuse. I refuse to be the two using destroying my people. So I am done. I am done. I am done.
Just calm down, please. It's okay.
Ichiokori. Really?
You are here seated, drinking palm wine, celebrating what? You lied to me. You assured me that you are willing to sign the peace treaty. You deceived me. You sent unknown men, unknown warriors to attack us. To attack everybody. Do you know that Nama's life was at risk? Do you know that? How could you?
You must learn to speak to me with respect. Akachuku, shut your mouth. Bridle your tongue. How dare you accuse me of putting the lives of my people in harm's way? How dare you? If only I had done such a cowardly act, I would have been proud of myself, not sitting down here lamenting in misery. Akachuku, I am innocent. I could not have pulled such a cowardly stunt, Akachuku. Now you see the kind of people you're dealing with. Men, women, even children from Omuna Olu. They are all sneaky, crafty, foxes. Now you see the kind of people you're dealing with. Akachuku, you convinced me to seek peace. Now I do not want that peace anymore. War they want, and war they shall get. Prepare your men. Ready them for battle. The battle line is drawn. We are going to retaliate. We must hit them. And we will hit them ruthlessly and hard.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred.
Can you now understand why I said that you must never trust anyone from Umunokiwe?
Yes, Father, I do understand. I understand now. I am truly sorry. This is all my fault. This would have cost you your life. I am sorry, Father. Forgive my childishness.
Norma, my daughter, I know you did all you did and said everything you said because you thought it was right. Now you have to rest. Rest! Because I must retaliate. I will give it to them hard. Hard!
Oh, Father.
I don't want to hear anything from this madness anymore. Have I made myself understood? I'm sorry.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred. Because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us. When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold haze of death. We can't continue fighting every day. Oh,
Choma, Choma, my beautiful dancer. Choma, Choma. Can I help you?
DK, greetings. But I'm fine.
Greetings, my love. Can I help you with this?
Don't worry. I'm okay.
This is wait now. You can't just go like that. This is too heavy for you.
DK, thank you so much. But I have to head home now.
See, let me just help you with this.
No, don't worry. I'm okay.
You're not okay. This is a man's job. Let me help you. See, it's too heavy. Look at your face. And this will make you get more short. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Let me help you.
DK, don't worry. Look at me very well. I'm a tall girl. And besides, I don't need help.
That's not what I meant. I know you're a very tall and beautiful girl, but I insist. Can I help you?
Don't worry. Thank you so much. My people are waiting for me now.
I got your message. Why do you wish to see me?
I don't know which one is worse. Is it signing the peace accord? Or the fact that you decided to ignore me? And I ask, why are you avoiding me?
Your people, they fought my people. And my father's words still echo in my head. He has sworn to retaliate for what your people did to us.
That is strange. That is very, very strange. How can you believe that? My people have no hand in that attack. I promise you. They have no single hand. They know nothing about it.
And you think I will believe you? Are you using me as a trap to get to my people? Is that what it is?
Oh, Kim. Kim, how can you say that? You know you are the reason why I am doing this. I am doing this because we could have a future together. For all I know, your people could be behind the attack.
My father can be anything. He has his flaws. But he is not a liar. Some people are manipulating us.
Tell me what you know.
I have asked. No one in my kingdom knows anything about the attack.
Then, we need enough proof for our people. You know, gathering them the same spot could be very, very dangerous. We risk losing everything we have worked for. Everything. How do we stop the looming war? How?
I will help you gather evidence. And together, we shall expose the truth.
The truth? Then we give peace another chance?
Yes. For the sake of our love. And for the sake of our people.
For the sake of our people. If you are here for peace, give me your hand again.
for peace.
Peace.
How may I help you, Akaju?
Ichiobuefi.
Yes.
I seek your wisdom.
My wisdom? What do you need?
Norman and I have found out the truth. Someone is trying to manipulate our villages against peace.
Go on, I'm listening.
You remember this ancient effigy I picked at the riverside? Yes.
Image?
Yes, this wooden image. Right. It further proves to me that our villages once had peace and harmony. And it is time we reclaim that peace.
Based on what happened last time, it is not going to be easy to achieve.
Ichiobuefi, we need your assistance. You are a man highly respected by both villages. Mediate for us.
Alright, I will try. But let me warn you, it is not going to be easy. Old wounds run very deep.
We are willing to face the challenges.
You need more than willingness, Akaju. You need more than willingness. What you need is courage and sacrifice. That's what you need.
I think someone is trying to set us up. But we will not stop until peace is achieved.
Good. Good. Let us begin. Alright? Let us begin.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you very much.
So what brings you?
I come seeking peace. Peace. Yes, peace.
What is this about peace? Peace. Peace everywhere I go. I am tired of hearing the word peace. By the way, whom do you seek peace with? The people of Omonolo? The same heartless people who tried to kill us the other time?
That is why we must talk. Akachuku and the Noma discover the truth.
Truth?
Yes, truth.
What truth do you speak of? Huh?
They think someone is behind that attack. And the ancient effigy. Yes. It has proved that we once lived in peace and harmony.
Ancient effigy? But that is only a myth.
A myth?
Yes.
Okore, our people, men, women and children, have eaten bread of affliction because of this senseless war. Can't we stop it? Our people have suffered. Can't we stop this senseless war?
Elder Ogbuefi, you are such a man that you are well respected in this kingdom.
I know.
Okay. Let's just suppose. Let us assume we give room for another peace meeting. What guarantees do we have? What guarantees do we have that those violent-minded people of Umonolo will not try to pull a fast one on us again?
My word. I will mediate. Akachuku and the Noma will ensure that the people of Umonolo comply. Yes.
Okay. It is fine. I will agree to another peace meeting. But this time we will come very well prepared. So let them not dare. Let them not dare to betray us again. If not,
I quite understand.
Mm-hmm.
I understand.
And let me say this. This part of the discussion has to remain private between you and I.
As you wish. As you wish. Chief Okeke, I come in peace. I have come to discuss with you the rift between Omunokigwe and Omunolo.
Obuefi, there's nothing to discuss about this people. If they want war, we will give them double. Reconciliation is impossible. Very impossible.
Chief Okeke, sometimes forgiveness is the key to healing. Omunokigwe has won that they have no hand in the attack. And just like you, they find it very difficult to trust Omunolo. So, we must employ willingness to make amends.
But can I trust them?
Yes, Father.
Of course you should.
We can. We can trust them. Yes, we can.
Obuefi, what do you propose?
Oh well, a meeting. Yes, a meeting to discuss the terms of reconciliation. And we all must compromise for peace to reign.
Remind them that we must come with our guards this time.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Wisdom has prevailed.
Thank you so much, Master Bufi.
My daughter.
May the gods bless you.
You're welcome. Chief Okeke, I'll take my leave.
Thank you, Obuefi. May the gods guide you.
See.
Father, this is a good idea.
No! We have been killed. They attacked us and our people killed. We have to fight. We need to fight with the last breath lost.
Ikenna. Revenge will only bring darkness. Ikenna.
You are talking about darkness. Our enemies, they brought in darkness and we're going to give them justice.
Why? At what cost? Our souls?
We all failed the moment we refused to defend our helpless brothers and daughters.
Ikenna, what you say is very right, and I will stand with you my last breath.
And that is why I always count on you. Cowards speak about peace. We are not cowards. We are going to fight.
We must fight.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred.
How dare you look into my eyes and lie. I saw you! I saw you, Obinna!
What do I gain by lying to my own brother? Ikenna is behind all this. This is his idea.
Lies! Lies! I know my brother. My brother will never do such a thing.
It seems you do not know your brother very well. I'm just following instructions.
You are just a tool in his hands, aren't you?
I do not know what you're talking about.
Never! Never! I will never forgive this!
Akachukwu.
Obi. Aka. You are my friend. My most trusted ally. Why? Why have you chosen to be on the side of Ikenna? To ruin the peace treaty? Why?
No, Aka, no. You're wrong this time. I'm not with them. I swore.
So what were you doing with Ikenna's men? I saw you with my eyes.
Aka, I was trying to talk to them. For them to see sense. I swear with my father's grave. I have nothing to do with them. I warned you. I warned you.
You stand for peace. If you stand for peace, then we must do everything within our power to stop this bloodshed. This is madness taken too far in this kingdom. We are going to end it all. For peace, we seek and we stand by.
Aka, I will fight side by side with you until peace and sanity is restored.
Peace.
Peace.
Ikenna, Akachukwu has been searching for you. I think he wants to make trouble with you, and that is why I'm here to warn you.
I am ready. Let him come. My name is Ikechukwu, and I have never been afraid of any man born of a woman. Akachukwu is not an exception. Let me tell you something. He should come! I am ready. He is nothing but a weakling, and a weakling is not supposed to be our leader.
You are a true warrior. Do not back down for what is to come. Our people will remember you.
I'm one walker. Now, but one walker. Makaniva go gym then I'm back.
Ikechukwu!
Now.
Ikenna! You are destined for greatness.
You're welcome.
Ikenna! Ikenna!
Onya!
Ikenna, how could you? Why are you breaking the peace treaty?
There is no such thing as peace And you are too naive to discuss this.
Ikenna, you are my brother. We grew up together.
That was then. And for the records, you have to choose between loyalty to our people and your illusion of peace.
Henceforth, you cease to be my brother, but an enemy. I will forgive your foolishness today. But don't allow this to happen again. Because I am going to come hard on you. Very, very hard as an enemy.
You are making a mistake, Akachuko. The worst tragedy that befall a man is death, and it's only cowards that are afraid to die.
Stay off my path.
If I could Jimile, then I'm back here.
When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day.
Father, please, drink some water. He hates me. My father hates me so much. I have never seen him this broken.
No, my father does not hate you. As a matter of fact, he does not joke with you in this village. Everybody knows it. You're a good daughter.
I am not a good daughter, Chuma. I am not. A good daughter would never hurt her father. But I have hurt my father countless times. All I wanted was peace. I wanted him to live in a world where he doesn't have to be scared. I just wanted to protect him.
You see? Norma, that is what a good daughter should do.
No, Chuma. Not this time. Because you cannot convince me otherwise. I want to be left alone.
Norma. Norma.
Though the war linger for too long, but it will not stop us, God. I will wait for you till eternity. My keep on love, onyem fulunanya. Together we shall fight for peace. Together.
Why are you here? My father would kill you if he sees you here.
No, but we can't keep going back and forth about this whole thing. We can't.
Your people fought my people.
No! Ikenna fought us, not my people. He attacked us. Is this not enough proof for you to know that I have no hand in this?
But it doesn't matter now. You cannot be here.
Wait. Do we have a problem?
No, we don't. My father could have gotten hurt. I cannot continue to hurt my father, at the same time putting my people's life in danger. I cannot. Go home and treat yourself. I will treat my father. Go.
Though the war linger for too long, but it will not stop us, God. I will wait for you till eternity. My keep on love, onion full together we shall fight for peace. Together we shall fight to return. Mama love again, come back here, Mama love again, come back love more. Maka horongina love more. You are mine, I won't let you go. You are my breath, love me. You are my strength. People love more, love more.
No. What is going on?
There's nothing.
Did I hear you say nothing? What is wrong with you? You have been moving all these days. What is the problem?
It's about Mama. I'm just thinking about her.
Mama. Mama died for a very long time now. Is that why you are suddenly crying and thinking about her?
I miss her.
I'm so sorry. It's okay. Stop crying. One million. One million. In the bed, oh. Norma, this sickness is not still down. What is wrong with you? Herbs have been administered to you, but nothing happens.
Please, do not worry. I'm going to be fine. I'll be fine. Okay?
Norma, you are not being fine. All medicines have been given to you, yet. It's okay. I have to go and call the herbalist. Let him come and administer more medicine again.
I'll be fine, Papa, please.
It's okay.
I'll be fine.
I am coming, eh?
Papa, where should we go?
I am coming. Just a minute.
Papa?
Though the war linger for too long, but it will not stop us, God. I will wait for you to eternity. My keep on love, onion full
Let go of me.
I will not let you go.
What you already have. Norma, I cannot continue going back and forth because of you. If you want to let go of me, do it once and stop playing with my emotions. Is it a crime that I love you? The only crime I committed is loving you. That is the only sin I have committed.
What are you saying?
Should you punish me for this?
What are you saying, my love? Do you think I enjoy all of this? No, I don't. I have been unwell for days now. Even my father had to bring a herbalist to check on me. After all the herbs and everything, nothing worked. And that's because what I feel for you is beyond herbs. I am fallen sick for you again. Listen, I am not going to deny the fact that when we are not together, the only thing I think about is you. When you have misunderstanding, I only think about you. My heart calls out for you. I love you so much, Akachuko. You have to believe me. I love you.
Promise me. Promise me you will never let go of me again.
I promise. I will never let you go. Never.
How are you, my love?
I'm fine now.
I am truly sorry. Very, very sorry I put you through all this stress.
No, my love. You didn't put me through any stress. This is all my fault. And I am sorry about it. Obi, what are we going to do now? How do we make our people understand that peace is the only way? And I do not understand. I do not know why each time we are close to attaining peace, something happens. I don't know.
I don't know. I seriously don't know, my love. But one thing is assured. I, Akachuku, I will do everything within my power to bring peace and balance the both kingdoms. Yes, I will do that.
And I will stand by you, my love. I will stand by you through thick and thin. We are going to do this together.
You are truly my strength. Thank you.
Uncle.
Go well, my love. Go well.
You are mine, I won't let you go. You are my breath, love. You are my strength. People love more, love, be more.
And how dare you step your foot into this kingdom?
All I seek is peace.
Convince me that all you seek is peace and nothing else.
How dare you?
You now move around frolicking with Akachuku. You think I don't know? Now let me even ask you. Is your father aware that you now eat and dine with your enemy?
Akachuku is not the enemy. You are the enemy and you dare not show your face to my father because he will kill you.
And what happens if I'm the one that will kill your father?
How dare you?
How dare you step your foot into this kingdom? I will spare you. But next time you're not going to have this opportunity. I have other plans for you. Now move and don't come back here again. Move! Ikenna, what are you doing here?
I've not come for a fight. Or are we not brothers again?
Never! You turned your back at me. You ceased to be my brother. The very day you disrupt the peace treaty. And I, Akachuku, will never forgive you. I will never!
Akachuku, you are my brother. And I believe you are fighting for peace. Or is there something else you're not telling me? What are you talking about? Yes! You keep on talking about peace, but inside you there is not your motive. You're fighting for peace for your selfish interest. Just to be with the daughter of our enemy. You think I don't know? Now let me ask you. Have you ever imagined how the king will feel if he knows about this?
Again, I am sure you don't want to be in my bad books.
Brothers, don't fight each other.
We are not here to fight you. But I must put an end to this drama. It's a promise.
Ikenna. Beware. Stay off my back.
Akachuku, I have my eyes on you.
This is just the beginning. I have come to seek for your wise counsel. The tension between these two kingdoms is growing day by day. I fear for our future.
Akachuku, the path to peace is never easy. But I sense you are willing to listen. I will share an ancient prophecy with you. That prophecy is all about a river goddess who wills the fate of our kingdoms together. It also foretells where unity will unlock the powers of Uyuku River, bringing prosperity to our people.
Unity? Just like this ancient effigy we found at the riverside. And the voice speaks also about unity. But how do we achieve peace when the two kingdoms are at war?
Akachuku, the prophecy also speaks about a bridge between two kingdoms that was forged by the hearts of two individuals. I believe you know the people I'm talking of. Akachuku, your meeting in Noma was not by chance. It has already been written about long before you were born. It is destiny. Yes, destiny.
I met with Mazi Ogwefi. He shared with me an ancient prophecy, the one that could unite our kingdoms.
Very well. What did he say?
He said that our hearts could form a formidable bridge between our kingdoms and thereby unlocking the true powers of the river.
But how did we get ourselves into this prophecy? We were only pushing for peace.
It is not by choice. It is because we are born to do this. We are born to do this even before we were born. You are my destiny.
Then we must make it happen. For our people. For us. I mean, that is the only way we can be together.
It is getting late. We need to go. But please, let's meet here again tomorrow.
Okay.
I want you to go. We need to convince our fathers. We need to make a peace treaty the last time.
But how? I mean, they've been at odds for so long. And every failed attempt has left a question mark in your heart. Nobody trusts anybody.
I'll speak to my people. You go home and speak to your people. We need to find a way to bring them together.
It's going to make things difficult for us.
No. Leave Ikenna to me. I'll handle him.
Babe, you need to be safe.
I'm only worried about you. If anything happens to you, do you not think I can bear it?
You are mine, I won't let you go. You are my breath, love me. You are my strength. People love me, love.
Hey, come on, stop there! Where are you coming from? I ask you, where are you coming from?
Papa, I was with Chioma and others. Yes,
Chioma?
Yes, Papa.
Chioma that just left here looking for you.
Hey, Chioma.
Norma Nwokeke, why are you lying to your father? Why?
I'm not lying, no. I'm not lying. I have no reason to lie to you.
And if I find out you are lying to me, Norma, I will never be happy with you. You are my eye. Ufanya jisi uwo. And you are lying to your father.
Obi, we need to cut down with our meetings. My father is getting suspicious, and it's no longer safe.
I understand, okay? I do not want to put you in further danger. If this is what we need to do, then let's do it. For the meantime, I will take care of things when you find a way to take care of things the other side.
I can't wait. I cannot wait for this peace to push through. I cannot wait for our kingdoms to be united. And I cannot wait to be with the man I love.
That is what I want too. I want to be with you and not sneak around the whole village. I promise to protect you with everything in me, even if it's going to be the last thing I will do on earth. I promise that no danger will befall you and your father. And I swear with my life.
Oh, babe. I need you to be safe for me. You have to be safe. Please.
I could say same thing. I want you to be safe. Safe for me.
Ikenna, and that's why we must act very fast. I agree with you, my brother. Because from the look of things, we do not have enough time. Then it's settled. I am good to go.
No, okay. No, okay.
Who is there?
Right.
Ago, what is going on there?
No, I talk to you.
I can sense you are troubled. What is it?
Mazi, you are like my father. And the Norma is also a sister to me. I say this with pains in my heart.
What is going on?
It's Norma. I start with Akachuku, the head warrior of the opposing kingdom.
Akachuku? Hey! Hey! Akachuku, my enemy! No!
What is going on between them?
Norma is consulting with the enemy. I don't know if they have consummated their love yet. But now you know what it means. You know what it means if Igwe finds out.
Let this just be between you and I. Let no other ear hear this. I am going to handle Norma my way. Then, thank you for coming to tell me first before any other ear. Hey! Norma! Akachi! Akachi! Hey! Hey! What's the change of now? Hey! Oh, the change of you now? Hey!
No, I'm greetings.
No, come here.
Huh?
Come here! I said come here. Where were you?
I was inside my hut.
How dare you? I don't believe that you can stand before your father and lie to me constantly.
I still do not understand what you're saying.
Nonsense. How dare you? How dare you lie to me? You consulting with my own enemy, and you are telling me nonsense. Do you think I'll protect you from the Igwe if he finds out that you are tangling with our enemy?
Akachukwu is not an enemy. All he's saying is peace. All he has ever wanted is to put an end to this bloodshed.
Akachukwu is not your enemy. Then who is he? Who is he? Oh, you are preaching the peace. Oh, this is the reason. This is the reason. I don't want to see you outside again. Now, get inside. Get inside this hut. Get into the hut and get into the hut. Nonsense. Hey! My own enemy. Akachukwu, my enemy. My own daughter. Consulting with. No! No! It cannot be. Ah! 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 Ah!
Akachukwu, my brother, look at what you've done to yourself. A once mighty warrior of Igwe, reduced to ordinary prisoner. I still ask myself to know why you chose to destroy and betray our people just because of your selfish interest. Now let me tell you something. I will make sure that you do not come out of this place. And as for the peace you talk about, that peace is going to die with you because I will make sure it will not come. My name is Ikenna.
Father, please. Please let me out. Father, please, I beg you in the name of the gods. Let me out. I don't want to stay here. Father. Father, please let me out. Please. Father, are you there? Please let me out.
Akachukwu, my son. How are you? I would have been here before now. But the Igwe refused anyone coming to see you. Yes, I only came to remind you that no matter how thick the darkness is, hope exists. Be strong. Eh? Your belief in peace and unity will never go in vain. The road might be rough and hazy, but then I want you to know that your effort can never be forgotten. People will remember you because of your courage and perseverance. The only thing you will do is to have a pure heart and unbroken spirit. Let me tell you, the time for peace and freedom must surely come. Don't give in. Be a strong man. And above all, come. Listen. You must find a way. You must find a way.
Are you doing here?
I came to see my brother.
You are not allowed here.
I'm harmless. Huh? Easy. Menekera. Despite the situation, we are still brothers. Oh? Pico.
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Oh? Pico. Dalo. Oh? Come. Hey, what happened? Look at you. Why did Kenna do this to you? Why did Kenna do this to you? God. Gods of our land. Kenna is busy mobilizing warriors. He's training them non-stop. Aka, please, if this war starts, I fear our future. Please. Akapiko, I don't want this war to happen. We will lose a lot of life. Pico. I fear the future. Please.
Pico, there isn't much I can do from here. I am helpless. If this is how the gods of our land will allow me to perish, then so be it.
Where are you going to? And why is your face like that? I have to go see the friend Mama. Father locked her up and kept a warrior to keep guard over her. I'm aware of that. Everybody in this community is aware of that. And you are going there to go and save her? Why? As what? Who? She's fighting a just cause. I have to save her. And you think you are in the right position to go and save her? Let me advise you, my friend. You better don't go there. Go back home. It's none of your business. You know her father in Okiki. If he catches you, he's going to cut off your head. So you better don't go there. Okay, calm your spirits. I have to save her. Choma! Choma! Choma, come back! Hey, this girl wants to die. This girl wants to die for no reason. I'm leaving.
Something! Where are you going to?
My warrior. Agunkem. My one and only. The greatest and bravest lion in Umunoluku.
So what do I owe these praises?
Have you not heard of the saying that we give praises to whom praises is due? And you, Ago, you deserve so much more.
I'm honored.
You know what? I used to hear of your praises when I was little. But none compares to the man that is standing before me.
Thank you, Chioma. How are you?
How the mama. And I even had the liberty of making you lunch.
You made me food?
Yes! And that's not all. I will feed you and then we'll do other things.
In that case, I'm very, very hungry. Come.
Okay.
Come, let's see.
I know what you want. Wash your face.
I need to.
Yes, now.
It's okay. It's okay.
I washed your hands back, okay?
This is it.
You like it?
Like, I love it.
Oh.
In fact, this is the best I've taken so far.
Oh.
Come join me, come,
I prepared this especially for you. And yes, now, I want you to have strength over other people.
In fact, feed me. Feed me.
Ew. You like it?
It's good.
No.
I brought something for us to cool off. Oh, yeah. Take. Oh, yeah, no, take now.
I am not to take anything from anyone.
I'm not anyone. I'm your brother. We are brothers, right?
The king instructed me to look after the prisoners carefully.
Of course, you need to look after the prisoner carefully. And the king did well to tell you that. But you need to drink it. Ana alachaka wejidaka. Yota. Ngwa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah no. Ngwa jide.
Leave here now and never return again. This is your last warning. I will not say this again.
It's a fresh palm wine, no?
Wait. You go there. Sorry.
What are you doing here? There's no time. Let's go. Don't worry, I'm taking care of him. Let's go.
Gods are wise. Where are you going to?
You're a very strong man. And I admire you.
Who am I to grace your existence and thoughts?
You see, you're a very hard-working man. Watching over that traitor. He deserves to be punished.
Thank you. Thank you for noticing my hard work in this kingdom.
You are such a very strong man.
I'll do anything for my people.
I see. Would you like to taste my wine? It was freshly tapped today by my father.
If you're offering your wine, then I must drink. Is it finished?
No. Oh, that's the last one. It's finished.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred. Baby, me and you, because of unforgiveness. Because of anger inside us. When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day. Oh, Okwamunagi, baby, baby, Okwamunagi, Okwami and you, maybe room, baby, 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 Okwamunagi, maybe Ruwa, Okwami, you spoil the world because of unforgiveness. Because of anger,
You covered in bruises. Hey, I'm so sorry. Sorry.
I hope you weren't hurt.
I was more worried about you. I'm so sorry for everything you have been through. I'm sorry.
I thought I would lose you.
You will never lose me. I belong to you forever. I'm so sorry.
We should keep moving, okay? Yeah, it's not safe. Okay?
Hey! Hey! Ago! Ago! Where's my daughter?
She's in the hut.
Which hut? Which of the huts? Norma is gone. Go and get Norma wherever she has gone to.
So where she was in the hut?
If I look for my daughter and I did not see her, I am going to destroy you. No matter who or wherever you come from, I will destroy you. Go to anywhere you want. Go whatever. Go as. Get my daughter. Go outside and get my daughter. Nonsense. Go move. Animal. Sleeping dog. Who knows what he has eaten? Hi! Where's my daughter Norma? Where is she? Where is she? Hi! Hey!
Bobby! What is going on? I'm asking you what is going on here.
No. Why is the weather like this?
You are very stupid. You're stupid! What on earth will make a guard like you fall asleep?
Me? Sleep? A guy doesn't sleep. A warrior does not sleep.
So tell me, what were you doing?
I was resting.
I'm not going to do anything to you, but I promise you, the king must hear this. The worst has happened.
What is it this time? Has Akachuku been found?
Ichie, Akachuku did not escape. I gathered that the warriors of Omonolo kidnapped Akachuku.
What?
Ichie, their plan is to kill him, invade this land and take us unawares.
Hey! In that case, gather all our warriors together. Conscript new ones if necessary. But today, we march on Umunolu. Today, let history record it. That we, the gallant, valiant, and brave men of Omuna Okigwe, that today we shall put a final full stop to this foolishness. Go and gather them.
I agree with you, Che. We will tell Omonolo na kamu dike namba. Kamu here.
Go! Mbanono. I will ready myself also.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred. Because of her Mama love again, come boggy obimo. Mama love again, come boggy love mo. Maka horongi na love mo. Obimo, you are mine. I won't let you go. You are my breath, love me. You are my strength. People love more, love more. Though the war linger for too long, but
Iyugu River is a river at the boundary of Omona Olo and the Omona Okigwe, which has a sacred lifeline. The water is blessed by the gods with the powers of healing, prosperity, and fertility, but it can only be accessed through peace and unity.
Love again, come boggy obimo. Mama love again, come boggy love mo. Forgiveness, baby, because of anger inside us. come to an end. 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day. Oh,
You broke into my kingdom and kidnapped my daughter.
I will make sure this ends your road.
Ah, okay, Kisibo Wegenasi. Is here. If there is anyone who will join their ancestors today, it is you and your miserable looking warriors.
Mom!
How dare you come into Umuna Okigwe to kidnap our son? Una Buziara! Eh? Eh?
We shall
attack!
Enough! Hey! Enough! Leave yourselves! Enough! Drop your shield! Enough! We mean no harm. Please. Norma and I found each other.
Our hearts chose each other, without a regard for any clan or kingdom. No one kidnapped anyone.
What sorcery is this?
How can this be, Akachuku? What is happening? Eh?
Are you all not tired of bloodshed? Aren't you all tired of killing one another? For how long shall we continue killing each other? Our fathers, mothers, children, siblings die every day. Are you not tired? Are you not tired? I beg you all, drop your weapons and embrace peace. For it's only unity that can bring everlasting peace, progress. And I can prove to each and every one of you here that peace is paramount if you all follow me to the river.
Never! Betrayal is expected. We cannot trust the Munokigwes. You all are liars!
Shut up, you coward!
Father, I beg you in the name of the gods, if you do not trust him, then you have to trust me. I am your child. Please, choose me this once, Father. I beg you.
Hey! And now get him! Ikenna! Hey! Ikenna! Are you not tired? Are you not tired?
How can I be tired?
Do you know what I have lost? They killed my father! They killed my mother!
And they separated me from my twin brother. I have not killed the other people. One more step, I'll end his life.
As long as we are breathing, there will be no peace until our family is avenged.
Enough! Enough! You have been deceived, fueled with hatred and a taste for revenge. But the truth is, you all have been manipulated by external force, triggered into going to war for years. This force have exploited your differences, filling the frame of hatred and violence. But I shall reveal the truth. The river power is not a curse, but a gift. A gift that can bring prosperity and peace to both villages, if you work together. Otherwise, eyes have not seen, what is to come. Heed my words.
Hey. That is Ezina! Ezina, my sister! My sister! My sister!
Chief, okay.
Ah!
Go to the river still, eh? Oh, be a man. Be a man.
Our fathers and my brothers, we have all seen that the only way to end this chaos and suffering,
yes,
our land is blessed by the gods, and no village has the right to claim any property to herself. No! For true unity and our river will flow and bring blessings. Let us end this madness once and for all.
Bridle your tongue, Akachuku. What exactly are you trying to tell us? Eh? What came on here?
My people, we must sign peace treaty. For true unity, we can achieve this goal. But before then, we must dismantle this fishing net as a symbol of unity. Yes, symbol of unity. Shield your sword. I beg you, my fathers and my brothers. Put it back. Ikenna! What are you doing here?
I've come in peace, my brother.
Peace? Do you believe in the word peace? I thought it was just an illusion for you.
You don't have to blame your brother.
You are not my brother. You are my enemy.
Akachuku, I am your brother and I've said I'm sorry. Besides, I had no other option than to do what I did. Is that bad? I lost everything. But it's even worse to know that you were betrayed by your own people.
Nobody betrayed nobody. This is what war brings. Women and children are always the victims of war. It brings nothing good. Children running helter-skelter. Women are taken for captives. No one come out alive. We end up losing everything.
Akachuku, like I said, I am sorry. Just forgive me. I wish I've not lost my brother and you.
This is going to be very, very hard for me because I don't trust you. You have been two-sided all this while. And I think I need time to think about this.
I understand. But please, I'm sorry. I'm still your brother. Ichio Boefi, I came here to say thank you. Thank you for your assistance and also standing between the two kingdoms. You are a huge part of this peace talk. Thank you.
Akachukwu, my son, I am only doing what is right. But I must tell you that forgiveness is a crucial part of the journey. You must forgive Ikenna. Forgive him. Let out your anger and let it go. Please. Look, let me tell you, my son. Unforgiveness is poison that breeds hatred. And hatred develops into war. Let out the anger. Let it go. There is no peace without forgiveness. Do you understand me? Peace on its own is not just the absence of war, but the presence of love, compassion, and understanding. Let the past belong to the past. Embrace the future. Oh, my son. Try to understand.
My love.
Okay.
We are victorious. We brought peace to our community.
Yes, Ovim, we did it. And thanks to the gods.
Yes, thanks to the gods for our land. And I have decided to come see your parents so I can declare my intentions to get married to you.
Not now, Obim. Listen, we have to take things easy. Okay? Although the both villages have agreed to live in peace and harmony, but we still need to calm down. We are still healing from this war. Families are starting to reunite. Same with friends. We need to take this easy. Please.
I understand, Obin. I just want to be with you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Of course, my love. We will be together forever. And I cannot wait to finally be with you as your wife.
I love you.
I love you too.
Yeah. Ekenemunu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezonu.
Yeah.
I must tell you, today is one of my happiest days in life. Thank you for accepting to embrace peace. I now know that you all know the importance of peace. And that was why you accepted. You see that net? That net. That has been a debacle. That has created unnecessary disunity amongst us. We are going to remove it now.
Yes.
My warriors, Ichokori.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey. How is everything?
Yeah, the gods have been good to us.
Good. Chief Okori, I have realized that our differences were fueled by our misunderstandings and misinformation.
Our enemies have thrown spanners into our wheels of progress. It is very clear because I can now see the errors in our ways. We were simply blinded by ambition and pride.
Chief Okori, we must continue to lead with wisdom and peace. And plead with our kings that we are capable of controlling our people by working out our differences for the betterment of our own people.
Yes, I couldn't agree more. It is time for us to resolve this matter. It is time for us to seek a brighter future for our people.
Oh.
Yes, we must lead them aright this time. And Kemalakwa, so that I am very clear. It is time for us to use our wealth of wisdom and experience, utilizing it properly so we can guide our people on the path of peace and prosperity.
Chief Okeke, I am willing to just do what you have just said right away.
It's okay. Are you going this way?
I'm going that way.
We can work together as brothers.
Akachuku.
I have come to ask for your forgiveness and also to seek for your permission for me to marry your daughter. I promise I am going to take good care of her and also provide for her for the rest of her life.
Akachuku, my son, stand on your feet. Get up, my son. You see, you have proven to be worthy and honorable man. Yes, thank you. You see, and you have shown bravery, wisdom, and compassion. You brought peace to this community, to my people. You have my permission to marry my daughter. You have my blessings.
Thank you.
You can now come to my place with your people.
Nama.
Okay. Choma, I will see you later.
Okay. Be careful. Come back early.
I will.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Don't worry, my queen. In 3 market days, I will be coming to take you home.
Home? What do you mean by that? I do not understand.
My queen, just wait for me. I will be coming. I love you so much, Nama.
Bamu love gi kambogi obimo. Bamu love gi kambogi love mo. maka horongi na love mo, you are mine. I won't let you go. You are my breath, love. You are my strength. People love more.
Akadike!
I was on my way coming to your hut.
No. Kidikime.
I am fine. How are you? Good. Obi. I just want to thank you for being a good friend to me. A very good one. You stood by me through thick and thin. Through difficulties. You showed your loyalty to your friend. I am happy. Thank you.
Aka, I'm glad that I could be there for you. Dalo.
Aka,
without you, there will be no peace. Yes. And I'm glad I'm part of the history.
Thank you.
Akodogu.
Obi.
Nadia. Biko. I know you must have a misunderstanding with Ikenna.
Mbamba. No. Biko. Don't bring Ikenna's conversation to what we are saying right now. He is a betrayer. An enemy.
Akajubu. I know. But he's a brother. I know he must faulted you. He has betrayed you. Please. Mba. Please forgive him. Hi. Biko. Let peace reign. We need each other. Biko. Let's live in peace and harmony. The way we used to be. Aka. Biko.
I shall think about it.
Biko.
But in the meantime, I came to your hut. Find me something to drink.
Kaiba.
Chuma, there is something I want to talk to you about.
What is it?
Sakachuku. He said he'll be coming to take me home. I do not understand what that means because this is my home.
What does he mean by that?
I don't know. I've been trying to figure it out. He just said he will come in 3 market days to take me home.
3 market days?
That's what he said.
Hey! Noma! Are you a baby?
What do you mean?
If he says he's coming to take you home 3 market days, I believe he means that he's coming to ask you your hand in marriage.
John, you know that is not possible. Considering what we are going through, don't you know?
I know. Maybe he has even spoken to your father. Or he has even asked for your hand in marriage already.
Chuma, could that be true?
It is true.
My goodness. Finally, I am going to marry the love of my life.
Yes, I'm so happy. Yes, Noma, and you deserve all the happiness this world could give. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much, my friend. I can't believe this. I am so happy.
And I will stand by you on that day.
Of course! Chuma, I am so happy. No, me too. My goodness, I cannot believe this.
It's your boyfriend.
My son.
I have come to seek for your blessings. I have decided to marry Noma. And me being here is to ask for your approval. Of course, you know that I will not do this one without getting your approval and guidance.
My son, It is good you came. I am happy. Hmm? Your union with Noma is not just marriage between two individuals.
No.
But a huge symbol of unity between Omunolo and Omunokigwe. That your marriage is a beacon of hope for our people. Yes, it's a beacon of hope for our people. And a reminder that we all can live together despite our differences. And so, I bless your marriage, that your marriage will be filled with love, joy, prosperity, and children.
My brother, I wasn't expecting you. I hope all is well.
Ikenna, I am not pleased with what you did. Your betrayal cuts deeper than any wound. But I have decided to forgive and forget. I am here to ask you just one question. If you are not too busy, can you accompany me to get and bring home my bride?
Akachuku, it is an honor. And I want to thank you for your forgiveness. But as we are, and I shall accompany you to take your wife home.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for forgiving me. Thank you very much.
What do you have in your heart?
Tell me. I'm happy. I never knew you were crying. Coffee me. The land is now peaceful. Peace everywhere. And we can now walk freely. Yes, so my finally. Yes, so my sister. Hey, the gods be praised. May the gods be praised, my dear. Let me help you. Finally. There is peace, my sister. I'm happy. See the way you're fetching water now. I can't believe that we one day come to this Yuku River freely to fetch water. My sister, I'm so happy. Despite I lost my people in this battle. So it's true. Well, there is peace now. There is peace, my sister. We cannot fetch water peacefully. Come, Choma, carry your pot. No, come. Your pot is heavy, Choma. I'll bring it now. Come on, help. Help you again? You know I'm soft. I'm not so strong. Hey. So I'm a strong person. You are a strong person, yeah. Choma, you're deceiving me. Be fast. Hey! Be fast. You can see I'm very stronger than you.
Mamano. Yeah. Mamano.
Yeah.
Umunolo mamano.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwesonu. I am very happy today. The storm is over. The turbulence was so much as if the two communities will end up killing themselves. But today the storm is over. I'm happy. Iyuku has always wanted peace. And the peace we've gotten today. Based on the instruction of the great Iyuku. Iyuku said we should seek peace. And peace we've sought today.
He said...
Iyuku has always wanted us to do the ritual of Emumbe Riko. And that is what we are doing today.
Eating together.
We are eating together today. Because we have always been fighting each other. Today, it will not be like that again.
Yeah.
This is a symbol of peace. The great Iyuku. We are promising you today that we will not renege from this agreement.
He said...
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Iyuku, God of peace. The great river, the goddess of peace. Peace shall remain forever in our communities.
He said...
Yeah.
Iyuku, Udo! Iyuku, Udo! Iyuku!
Cha! Okigwe mmamanu! Mmamanu!
The celebration should begin.
You have spoken well. But there is something very important that my kith and kin from Omona Okigwe has asked me to also ask us at this very occasion. It will be very beautiful if you, Ogbuefi, you will come with us in the next 4 market days when Omona Okigwe will lead our son Akachuku to discover that Odara, that beautiful Odara in Chief Okeke's household, so we can pluck it and take it back to Okigwe. I hope, Chief Okeke, I hope we'll be welcome.
Did you hear him?
Thank you very much, Chief Okoria. That reminds me, let me seize this great and ample opportunity to tell all of us that I know in no distant time, the Omuno Okigwe people will be coming to Omunolo, to my family, to do the formality of the marriage between Akachuku and Norma. Akachuku!
Because of unforgiveness, because of anger, I just love you.
Neoma. From the moment I set my eyes on you, I have always known that you are mine. I have waited this long, and now you are here. I can't even believe that we are doing this. Look at you. You are looking so beautiful like in morning stars. You see the birds singing and praising you. I adore and cherish you for the days of my life. I want to sleep seeing your face while you lie on my arms. And I want to wake up and always see your face. I want to make you mine forever. I want to lie on your arms knowing that I am protected by your love. There is a niche in my heart that only you occupy. And no other maiden, allow me, no other maiden in this land.
I'm glad to be with you.
I love you.
And I love you too.
Love again, come back,